Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So today was a very chill, cold Sunday, so I decided to make a crock pot vegan chili. So in this video, I just did a step-by-step process, just explaining like how I made a quick little meal on a Sunday. And enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cooking videos from me, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 9. So to start, one of your main ingredients, you're going to need soy chorizo. I usually just get my soy chorizo from Trader Joe's, and then you'll need an onion as well. I had some leftover celery from when I made like a chicken salad, so I use that. I use frozen corn just so it can like cook within the crock pot. Some black beans, some tomato sauce, and just some like diced and fire roasted tomatoes as well. They can just be diced. So the soy chorizo comes in a 2-pack, but I just use 1 pack of the 2-pack because it comes with so much and you can get kind of like 2 meals out of it. So like I'll probably use the other side to just like make tacos or something. So what I do is I literally just dump everything into the crock pot. So I start by just taking the soy chorizo and putting it at the bottom of the crock pot, and then from there I will just build with like my veggies, my corn, my beans, and then eventually once that cooks down, I'll start adding everything else. So after 30 minutes of the soy chorizo and the corn and the veggies being in the crock pot with just some seasoning and some water, like a half a cup of water, I'm then going to start adding in my tomato sauce and my crushed peppers, and then letting that cook for a little bit more, so probably like an hour or so. So after an hour and a half in the crock pot, the chili is now done. So now I'm just serving it with some avocado, and then I just added a little bit of some Parmesan cheese on top, and I am going to demolish this bowl of warm chili and burn me a candle and watch some movies on Disney Plus. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 9. Like I said at the beginning of this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next one.